Thanks for tuning in. This is Let's Ride. This is the year in review of the summer skate park sessions. It was just me going around different skate parks and trying to figure out if I can ride them. I'm not very good at BMX. Not very bad, but I'm more of a factory rider. I always say dirt jumper, but I'm a factory rider because I mostly ride at Ray's. All the new subscribers want to say thank you. Gonna do more stuff next year. But yeah, this is a summer skate park sessions year in review, and I'm actually gonna stick around on the audio, and I'm gonna hang out with you guys for this one and just Baker's dozen, I'd like to call it, which is 13 skate parks that I was able to get to this year. And yeah, we're going to start off with number 13. Number 13 is North Royalton Skate Park. I couldn't get a flow here, but it was also a long day, and this is the last skate park I went to. I could do that hip, I could do this hip, but it was really weird and awkward. When I was thinking there should be a quarter pipe, it was a wedge to a quarter, and it just threw me all off. Now this is Garfield Heights Skate Park. I had no flow here neither. Nothing fun to do here. I did not stay long. The best part was not even in the park. But yeah, it just wasn't my thing. You know, I know people could come here and have a really good time, but it wasn't for me. This was my favorite part, which wasn't even part of the skate park. It's a little railroad tied skinny that I did. That was the coolest feature for me. This was 12. Alright, number 11, Avon Skate Park. Another one I couldn't get a flow at. I dropped into the quarter pipe, into the half pipe, and fell. It was slippery. Right in front of a bunch of kids too. It was pretty embarrassing. But, you know, all in all, I thought that Avon Skate Park was kind of just garbage. That's why I was pointing out the garbage can there. I guess I could do the little hip over here, but number 10, Elyria Skate Park. This is my local, closest skate park to me, and I mean, there's a little hip here, and then a little wedge jump launcher, but not much there. Newton Skate Park, number 9, I believe. This was okay, but it made me wanting to find another skate park, which I'm glad I did, because that's where I went looking for it, and I found the DIY skate park. But this had a little box in it, the little quarter over here, a little half pipe. You know, it's all in the journey to get better, so it is what it is. And see, this was my little line I had here. I stayed for like an hour, so no half pipe here. It was okay. Pollock Park was weird but fun. It was just a big half pipe. This is number 8, I believe. And like I said, it was just a little half pipe, but I did find this little, I don't know, little jump. This was a little spooky getting up here, and I was like, yeah, I'm not dropping in that. I thought about it, but once I got up there, and this is the little jump I found. I didn't stay here very long. I went to another Vermilion skate park after that. This park was like, you never clear that box, and the quarters were falling apart. But the little jump that I kept hitting over and over again, I stayed and just kept hitting that. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed jumping over that. I want that in my front yard. Oop. That was so much fun. For such a little jump. Boop. Little transfer there. That was fun. If I was to build my own skate park, I would have this feature in it. Now into Broadview Heights Skate Park. I used to live across the street from this place before there was a skate park here, and before I even rode BMX. But I mean, you could do that hip right there, into the other hip, into the box. It's kind of what next time I go is what I want to do. I didn't learn hips at this particular point, but you know, I got better throughout the year, so I enjoyed that little jump there. And Elliot from Ray's shouted me out on that one. He introduced me to this park, told me to check this out, and he told me to check out Alliance. And we're getting into the fun parks, where this is number 7-ish. I forget the number. And Wooster Skate Park. This is Brant Moore's little local. And it was fun. The spine was fun. Little box jump there. Boop, boop. And here, I believe you're going to see me do the spine for the first time. I was so excited after this too. Oop. I was terrified from it at the beginning of when I got there to this. So like I said, I grew over the year. Decker Park, this was so cool. This was a cool skate park. This was, my wife took me here. She drove past it at work and told me that I had to check it out. So when I did, I'm glad I did, because this place is super rad. The hips over here are cool. The spine to the hip is pretty cool. Little drop-ins over there. You got the half pipe over here, the little pyramid. You can... So, definitely want to go back here next year, because I have unfinished business here. Yeah, Decker Park in Barberton. This was a really fun park. That hip was so much fun. I went back another time and it was crowded with kids sitting on the ramps, and I wasn't even able to really ride other than for 5 minutes. And everyone was scared of me because I was actually riding the ramps. On to the DIY 9th Street DIY Skate Park. This was cool. I don't know the story behind the DIY part, but they just built a pump track across where you park here. So that's a cool feature. There's a lot of cool things in here, a lot of unusual, weird, made me open my eyes to some parky type things. This little thing was fun. I don't know why. It was like, boop. Little jump there. Transfer jump, it felt like, but I don't know. This was fun. I liked this. Oh no, I just had a good time here. And it was a fun skate park. Definitely have to go back here because I have to ride the pump track. Haven't been to the pump track next year, and next year maybe we'll do more pump tracks. There's also a skate park opening in Sandusky. Gotta get there. There's New Philadelphia. I want to check out that skate park. So there's skate parks to go to. Logan, I want to check out Logan if I get down to Hocking Hills next year. Yeah. Now, this is my new local. I claim this is my local. This is Vermilion Skate Park. But I probably went here 5 times over the summer and got better every time. This was my first time there over the summer, and I have a couple more times where I've been there, and twice with Taz, once with Todd. And every time the ramps move around, and I moved the ramps around also once, but like some people, like the spine is now, last time I was there, was not there anymore. It was over here, in this area over here. And those little box jumps next to the spine here, those move around a lot. The half pipe, not particularly fond of that half pipe, but this is where I learned how to do hip set. And this one, skate park, made me better. Made me a lot better. So much fun here. The little transfer. That's my favorite jump right there. There. The spine to the roller. See, look, here's another time we were there and they were just a big box jump. And I'm actually doing the hips here. Such a fun skate park. Got Elliot right there. Elliot is actually the person who told me about the next skate park. Alliance Skate Park. He told me I needed to check out Broadview Heights and Alliance Skate Park. He knew what kind of riding I like to do. And he said those are the 2 places you'd probably have fun at. And this was a fun day. This was me and Taz went up here, and everyone else came up. It was a really cool day. I was recording it, but the camera failed on me that day. Now this is the Alliance Skate Park, and I had so much fun here. This step up was so much fun. It's like the next best thing to the red step up at Ray's. The spine was fun here. This whole park, you can get a line in. That's when I started figuring out lines, was after I went here. So this part made me better. And it's just so well set up. I wish we had some of these nice skate parks closer to me, because all the skate parks by me are kind of lame. And I know you gotta make the best of what you got, but I have a car, so I can travel. And this place is worth the travel. Not every day. Like, I could never come up here once a week. It's just too far away from me. But Vermilion Skate Park is only 20 minutes away from me, so at least I have that. And Cliffs is close to me. And Ray's Indoor Mountain Bike Park in the winter. That's what we're going to be doing all winter long. And
So let's ride. Let's ride. Shirts now available. Cop it before you cops you. Later. Available. T-shirts now available.